Hello everybody! Today's video, we're going to show you real heroes. Enjoy watching! The child's parents and the child himself were very lucky to have a police officer nearby who prevented the tragedy.
Is this your child?
Emergency services received a call that the car had lost control and ended up in the water. The first to arrive were police officers who saw the drowning car with a person inside. Action had to be taken quickly.
Climb out to the back! Climb out to the back right now! The door's open! Climb out! Climb out!
I'm trying.
You unbuckled?
Inside was an elderly woman who was unable to unbuckle her seatbelt and get out of the car without assistance.
Come back to me. Back door's open.
Oh my god.
Come on, ma'am. You're good. You unbuckled?
Yeah, I'm unbuckled.
Come on, get out. Forget your purse. Let's go.
I'm trying.
Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Come here. Hey.
What you do is you get a scoop run underneath your arms.
All right, who's first?
Judge, when I came in,
All right, I'll get him. You do it.
and I Good job, Mulatto.
Belt. Hey, your taser's malfunctioning.
Thanks to the police officers, the woman was not injured. After being checked by medical workers, she was released to go home. What the conflict was about is not known, but the video started with a man attacking a car with an elderly man inside. Not all heroes wear capes.
Saan monsieur? N'inquiète pas.
Oftentimes, the street lights make it so people forget the headlights aren't on. That also means the tail lights aren't on, and they run the risk of being rear-ended or otherwise hit a lot easier. The motorcyclist noticed another motorcyclist standing on the side of the road who, as it later turned out, had run out of gas.
What happened?
Out of gas.
Oh, you want to take? You could take some of mine. Could we
Gas station open?
yeah, so if you take Rayford, there's a shell right before the underpass. You can see the signs up there. That'll be easier. Yeah, it has 93. Yeah, that has to be.
I hope so.
Yeah, just go next exit in the shell, you'll see the sign. Or go. You good? Alright, cool. Yeah.
Just enough. If I have to run it across the street, I'll make it.
It shut off? Alright, I'll block traffic for you. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Come on, come on. Go, 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 go. Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. Whew.
A state trooper was caught on dash cam footage rescuing a man from a burning car in Ohio. The rescue happened on a highway near Akron. The Ohio State Patrol trooper noticed the vehicle engulfed in flames driving past him before pulling over.
Down. 149 over 8. Right. Get out of the car, get out of the car, get out of the car. Anyone else in there? No. Okay. I'm just trying to get you away. I know. Oh my God. I just have a seat by me. Right by here. I got a fire extinguisher. Go ahead.
The victim said he had no idea the situation was so serious, and he's grateful for the trooper who saved him. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.